Setting up your brand new Trezor Model T out of the box with Exodus is quickly done through the wallet interface. First, plug your Trezor in and go to Settings, then click on the Hardware Wallet. If this is the first time you have clicked on the Hardware Wallet menu item, you will see the option to install the Trezor Bridge. To install the Trezor Bridge, you will need a Chromium browser such as Firefox, Chrome, or Brave. Downloading the Trezor Bridge is not possible with Safari. Once the Trezor Bridge is installed, turn the Detect My Trezor toggle on. Your Trezor will begin to boot up as it begins to update the firmware. Do not close Exodus or disconnect the device while the firmware update is in progress. Trezor will auto-restart when finished. Next, Exodus will prompt you to initialize the device by giving you two options: either restore from a recovery phrase or create a new wallet. You'll be asked on the Trezor device if you agree to the terms of use. Agree to the terms to continue. You will be shown your 18-word recovery phrase. Swipe on your Trezor to view all of the words. Write them down on paper, spelled correctly and in the correct order. Never store them digitally. Create a PIN code for your device. You will need this PIN code to unlock your device moving forward. After your words are written down, press and hold Confirm on your Trezor device. Once this is done, you will be asked to confirm a few of the words before proceeding. Exodus will then ask if you would like to connect your Trezor. Click Connect to begin the pairing process. Once paired, you can send funds directly from your Exodus wallet to your Trezor by simply clicking the Quick Transfer button. For additional Exodus plus Trezor integration tutorials, visit support.exodus.io.